Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is preparation of aldehydes and ketones. We learn preparation of aldehydes and ketones together because both are carbonyl compounds. Both have C double bond O carbonyl group in their structures. So let's begin the topic preparation of aldehydes and ketones. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones. The first process is by dehydrogenation process. By dehydrogenation process. See, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogens. Removal of hydrogens. When primary alcohol, see, this is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohols treated with primary alcohols see what happens. This is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol vaporized primary alcohol passed through heated copper. Passed through heated copper of 300 degrees Celsius temperature here to form aldehydes. To form aldehydes. To form aldehydes. This is a primary alcohol vaporized to heated copper at 300 degrees temperature to form aldehydes. To form aldehydes. See what happens here. What happens here? The hydrogen and this hydrogen remove as H2 gas, hydrogen gas, and the remaining RCOH aldehydes. We get the corresponding aldehydes from primary alcohols. In the same way, in case of alkyl, you take an example CH3COH. You do this compound vaporized copper 300 degrees temperature. So the product is aldehyde. You do by it your own. Next, in dehydrogenation process, when secondary alcohols are taken, when secondary alcohol C R C R dash O H H, secondary alcohol. The vapors of secondary alcohol pass through copper heated at 300 degrees Celsius. When passed through copper, here form ketones. Here what they form? Ketones. See, the process is same. By dehydrogenation, first we take primary alcohols. From primary alcohols, aldehydes are formed. When we take secondary alcohols, ketones are formed. This hydrogen and this hydrogen removed as a hydrogen gas, and the remaining product ketone is formed from secondary alcohols. In place of R, you can take CH3, COH, CH3H. This is a secondary alcohol. You do at 300 degrees temperature in presence of copper. You will get ketones from this secondary alcohol and hydrogen gas is liberated. Second process is oxidation. Second process is oxidation. By oxidation, how aldehydes and ketones are prepared by oxidation. Second one is oxidation process. Oxidation process. See, take an example. This is a primary alcohol oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate. Acidified potassium dichromate. When primary alcohols oxidized by potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7 is oxidizing reagent. Potassium dichromate in presence of Collins reagent to form aldehydes. And water is removed. See, the two oxygens along with this water molecule. Two oxygens along with this water molecule removed as H2O, and the remaining molecule RCOH. Aldehydes are formed here by primary alcohols. You can do an example: CH3COH. This is a primary alcohol. You can do oxidation by taking potassium dichromate reagent and PDC Collins reagent. Second one is by taking secondary alcohols. Oxidation in presence of acidified K2Cr2O7 form ketones. See, when secondary alcohols are taken, both hydrogen along with oxygen removed as water, and the remaining two alkyl groups with the carbonyl group form ketones. The concept is clear. When primary alcohols are oxidized, aldehydes are formed. When secondary alcohols are oxidized, ketones are formed. This is oxidation process. Next process is Rosenmann's reduction reaction. This reaction is very important. In aldehydes and ketones, all named reactions are very important. Rosenmann's reduction reaction. See what happens here. Reaction. In Rosenmann's reduction reaction, acid chlorides are reduced. Reduction means acid chlorides are reduced. Removal of hydrogens or addition of oxygens. Here see, BaSO4 PD, palladium barium sulfate is a reduction reagent. I have already told you K2Cr2O7 is oxidizing agent, palladium barium sulfate is reducing agent. In presence of this reducing agent, and small amount of sulfur is added to stop the further reaction of aldehydes into acid. Small amount of sulfur is added. See, in presence of sulfur, aldehydes are formed from acid chlorides and HCl is removed as a byproduct. Here in H2, H plus, H minus. So this H plus along with chlorine removed as HCl, and the remaining hydrogen attached to the carbonyl group to form aldehydes. In this way, acid chloride, from this acid chloride aldehydes are formed from Rosenmann's reduction reaction. Next, how ketones are formed. See how ketones are formed. This is dialkyl acid, diacid chloride, 2 molecules of acid chloride. When 2 molecules of acid chloride taken with dialkyl cadmium along with 2 alkyl groups, dialkyl cadmium in presence of diether to form ketones. See, this cadmium along with chlorine, this one cadmium along with 2 chlorines removed as cadmium chloride, and the remaining product is 2RCOR. Remaining product ketones are removed. So in this way, when acid chloride taken in presence of palladium barium sulfate sulfur, aldehydes are formed. When 2 molecules of acid chlorides with dialkyl cadmium in presence of diether form ketones. Here see, I will give you a short trick. So that you will remember the preparations of aldehydes and ketones very easily. I will give you a simple trick. See, by dehydrogenation. First we have taken primary alcohols. From these primary alcohols, aldehydes are formed. When secondary alcohols are taken, form ketones. And the next process is oxidation. In oxidation, when primary alcohols are taken, form aldehydes. When secondary alcohols are taken, form ketones. In the same third Rosenmann's reduction reaction, when acid chlorides with reduction form aldehydes, and 2 molecules of acid chloride with cadmium, dialkyl cadmium form ketones. Always from primary alcohols aldehydes are formed, and from secondary ketones are formed, because in secondary alcohol 2 alkyl groups are present, so that ketones will get 2 alkyl groups. In primary alcohol only 1 alkyl group is present, so that aldehydes get 1 alkyl group. This is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. I will continue the next topic of preparation of aldehydes and ketones.